Hey guys, so we have two new licensing opportunities that just got released in the syndicate. You can see below me, one is Rock right down there and the other is Future Trap. Now Future Trap, that one is a little bit, hard to describe, but essentially drums need to be trap, but the instruments can be a little bit more in the EDM, progressive, electronic kind of genres, okay? These days, as I was saying to a lot of the syndicate members, genres are kind of cross-pollinating and getting in each other's lanes. So sometimes it's hard to draw the line, but it's definitely going to be a trap album. That's the opportunity that's been requested by one of our distribution partners. And down there, the Rock one is kind of a driving rock opportunity, and that one's being requested by another library that's on board with us. So these are both brand new, and they sort of cover the gamut of both of these genres. So again, if you're looking to join and you wanted to wait until there was an opportunity that might be right for you, I want you to at least click on the link below this video. I cannot play the references or the instructional video here on YouTube because, again, I'm using music that I'm going to get flagged for, and they're going to take the video down, even though I'm not monetizing the videos or anything like that. I just don't want those videos to get taken down, so I have to keep it on a private site. So if you want to learn about the references, at least for the Future Trap album, the Rock one, you're not going to be able to see at least the references and the instructional video until you get into the group. But essentially, it's a straight down the middle kind of rock and roll sort of an opportunity, a few different genres of rock, but just driving rock is really what it is. But you can definitely see the specifics of the opportunity when you click on that link below in the description. But you'll definitely, once you get to that page, you'll see my instructional video on the Future Trap, sort of what are the do's and don'ts, and I go through some of the reference tracks to show you exactly what I'm looking for and what's going to guarantee your spot onto an album when we do this. So anyways, just want to give you guys a heads up. That's what we're working on here in January moving forward, and there might be a lot more actually coming down very soon. We're going to see, how many we can keep up with here from our partners, but this is definitely going to keep us busy for a little while. So I want to give you guys the heads up that that's what we're doing now. So you guys have a great day. Click on that link below if you want to learn more.